How to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing such issue, first and foremost you need to make sure that you have entered the correct PIN. If you have repeatedly entered the wrong PIN, there might be the chance that you are temporarily locked out of your card. It might be because of the suspicion activity. If that's not the case, there might be a glitch issue. In order to solve it, there are basically two ways. First and foremost, press and hold onto the application and head over to App Info. Select on the Force App button, head over to Storage and Cache, and tap on Clear Cache. After which, you can head back from here. If this feature is not available for you, open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the Apps button. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash App. Repeat the same process of first stopping it, heading over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. Last but not the least, open up your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Cash App. If you find any of the available updates for your application, you can just leave your app for an update. If not, the last resort is to uninstall your app and reinstall it later. And it's the wrap for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.